In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unauthorized third-party software warning on Roblox. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so you opened your computer and this is what you are encountering. Then you want to troubleshoot your computer and your account by following these steps. First, you want to check and ensure that you are not using a VPN or you don't have any recently installed security app, as this might be returning this error. Also, if you are trying to authorize or link other third-party accounts or tools, then you want to delete them to fix this. However, if you are still not able, you may want to try and visit Roblox assistance page. You can see we have here this link for the page that has the same error, that is error 665. Follow the instruction to see if this fixes. However, if you still get the same even after deleting all the other authorized parties or tools, most likely you need to troubleshoot your computer and browser. If you are using a browser to access your Roblox account, then troubleshoot your browser by going to these three lines here if you are on Google Chrome like me, and look for settings. From settings, go to privacy and security, and under it go to delete browsing data. Here choose the length of period you wish to delete the browsing data and check the boxes below here before you delete. Now restart your computer, and now if you go to your Roblox, now it should be working without any issue. From here you have to cease from authorizing the parties or the tools that were returning the warning. However, if this fails, then you may want to try and see if Roblox works using the app. So you can download Roblox app and log into your account to see if it runs softly. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.